Hello everyone, in this video I will show how you can create a partners section like this one. So this will be a collection of images basically, and let's start our work. So here after the hero section I will add a group block, and then I will rename it as partners section. Then I will add a class name Jared partners section, and then I will change the HTML element to section. We can see there has a border bottom, so I will add a border bottom on the group. So let's select cloud sky color and add 2 pixel of border bottom. Then I will add 4 rem padding on it, and then I will add a group block inside it. In this group we will add all the content, so this will be our main content area, and I will add a class name Jared partners main. And then inside the group I will add a row block so we can add images horizontally. So in the row block I will add an image block first. Here I will add our first partner image. Then I will duplicate this image few times. I will replace all the images with original partner images. We need to add one more logo, so I will duplicate last image again and then add our last logo here. And then I will select the row block, and from the justifications I will select space between items option. This will distribute our spaces evenly. The partners section is not properly aligned with the hero section. To fix this I will select the group block and set it to white width. Since the row block functions similar to a group block, we also need to set it to wide width. So if you check the partner section, you can see it's looking great. And now I will work on the uh, responsive option. In the 1024 pixel we need to add some spacing, so I will target the Jared partners main class and add 1 rem of padding, and then I will copy the uh, style and add on our style sheet. Inside the 1024 media query selector I will add a new comment partners section, and here I will add our style. Then I will move to 768 pixel, and here you can see the gap between elements is very low, so I will increase the gap between elements. Here you can see we did not add any class here, so I will add a class first and then I will target that class to add gap between elements, Jared partner items class, and by targeting that class I will add gap between elements. Here I will add gap of 1 rem, that will increase the gap between elements. Let's copy the rule and add in our style sheet. So inside the 768 pixel media query, I will add that style. And if we move to 425 pixel, you can see the images are now very small. So in 768 pixel, you can also see the images looking very small. So I will target Jared partner items class and add flex wrap to wrap and justify content to flex start. This will fix our problem. And I will add inside the 768 pixel. So let's check in the 425 pixel device, and here you can see the gap is not looking good. So I will increase the gap for this width. I will increase the gap from 1 rem to 2 rem and apply these changes at 768 pixel media query selector. Since we are styling for a larger breakpoint, the small one 425 pixel will automatically inherit the updated styles. This concludes the tutorial and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.